Welcome to the channel. A lot of people ask about how to figure out shipping. So we're going to go over what eBay has available to eBay sellers, and that's called their shipping calculator. There are several ways to get to it. The probably easiest way is to go to the help and contact section, which is right up here. Click on it, type in shipping calculator. There is a way to get to it through your eBay store and stuff, but for simplicity's sake, we'll do this. So here it is. So it's really easy to use. I think especially new eBay sellers should use it to figure out what it's going to cost in general to ship things to one place or the other within the United States, continental, and to the outlying states and territories like Alaska, Puerto Rico, etc. So first, you pick the type of package. So we'll just go with just a regular package, and let's just say it's 12-inch by 12-inch by 12-inch and weighs 2 pounds. You enter your zip code. This is a New York zip code I'm using. We won't add a handling fee. We'll leave it on domestic. And first we're going to see how much this package will cost with different agencies to ship to my same town. So we'll enter the same zip code. So this is basically from you to you, or you to across the road. We hit continue, and it's got all these different carriers: USPS, Ground Advantage, Priority Mail, USPS. You can click here and pick just FedEx or just UPS. But notice, it's the in-store rates. This is what you would pay, or the customer would pay, if they went to the store, whether it's the post office or a FedEx counter or US or a UPS counter. This is what they would pay. This is what anyone would pay. So eBay provides special discount rates for its sellers. So we'll click on the eBay rates. Notice media mail does not change. We don't get discounts on that. However, you can see down here the USPS Ground Advantage, we're getting a 33% discount. Some people will choose to pass on this savings, some or all of it, to the buyers. That's up to you. I would suggest you never give the full amount to the buyer. Reason being is eBay charges a final value fee on the shipping. So let's say, for example, you charge the customer $10 for shipping, and you pay $10 for shipping, and the final value fee is 12.35%. That means you're already out $1.23 because you're paying at that final value fee on the $10. So you're already losing money. So my suggestion is you do not pass on the full amount. All right, so now let's see. We'll look at Ground Advantage. So Ground Advantage is $5.95. Now let's see. Now that gives you a low baseline if you want to do flat rate shipping. All right, so let's change the destination. We'll keep it the same ship from, to a Puerto Rico zip code. Now again, notice the media mail did not change, even to Puerto Rico. It stays the same. Ground Advantage is $13.60. Let's click to the eBay rates to see what we pay. And we pay $9.02. Of course, this is in US dollars. Further down, you've got Priority Mail is $11.97. So depending on what you're shipping, maybe you want a bit more security with the Priority Mail, maybe a little bit more speed, especially when it comes to holiday shipping. The USPS Ground Advantage already comes with a $100 insurance. So if it's under $100, you don't need to add insurance. It already comes with it. Media Mail comes with no insurance at all, unless you purchase extra insurance. Now, we can select international. You would select the country. You would scroll down Let's go to Canada, because that's probably where most people will ship to, Canada. The problem is, I don't think this is going to be accurate, because Canada is a huge, huge, huge country. It does not have the infrastructure that the USA has, so shipping is crazy, crazy expensive. And look at these prices for a 2-pound item. Insane. And eBay never finds the cheapest way to ship. So that gives you sort of an idea. Alright, so let's go back and we'll change it back to domestic. So what this allows you to do is, if you want to do, if you sell, say, a lot of coffee mugs, and a coffee mug is always going to be, if you pack it properly, it's probably going to be roughly in a 9-inch by 9-inch by 6-inch box. This is what I use as my standard. The size doesn't matter until you get to a certain point. If it's being packed properly, it's going to be over a pound. So we use the 2-pound rate. You can use 1 pound, 12 ounces if you want. But just what it allows you to do is to give yourself a range, so you can have, okay, the lowest is $5, highest is $10. So let's go in the middle and we'll make a flat rate of, say, $7. That way all your customers know exactly what they're going to pay. You can control your costs much easier because you know the minimum and maximum you're paying. Hope this helps everybody. Have a great day.